Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2022 edition Audi Q4 e-tron Sportback Edition 1 Quattro that does come complemented in the metallic Mythos black paintwork. This fully electric vehicle does offer a range of up to 308 miles, reaching 80% charge in just 1 hour 14 minutes using a rapid public charger, housing your AC and DC charging capabilities and plenty of top features, including your auto LED headlights, stylish 20-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your parking sensors, even your reversing camera, and the convenience of a power-operated tailgate. This will reveal plenty of space for your charging cables and all of your travel essentials. This is followed by the comfort and luxury of a full leather trim for easy maintenance, with access to your central power outlets and climate controls. The front seats do come electronically adjustable to get into that required position with ease, followed by your multifunctional leather steering wheel and access to your central touch display for endless entertainment, alongside the modernised edge of your S embossed finish, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel and options to navigate around your virtual cockpit, displaying your vital driving data, your range, and even various audio, navigation, and the added bonus of your cruise control and speed limiter features. Moving across, you can enjoy premium sound on your Sonos sound system via your various radio stations and Bluetooth connection. You do also have your navigation for those unfamiliar areas and even your on-screen charging information, as again this is a fully electric vehicle, so you can easily keep an eye on your overall range. For an enhanced driving experience, you do also have your Audi Drive Select, complete with your efficiency and comfort modes, alongside a whole range of safety features to help you out on the open road. You do also have the activation of your parking sensors and reversing camera. This is followed by your main climate controls with the added bonus of your 2 front heated seats for the winter, followed by your various power outlets, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.